Let me ask you a quick question here. If you run for 20 minutes, what will happen to your body? It would ask for rest, right? It's not a big deal. 20 minutes, 15 minutes, people can run. But if you run for, let's say, 1 hour continuously, there's a huge chance that your body will ask for rest, but at the same time, you will start to feel some kind of a pain in your body, okay? But let's say you run for 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours continuously, and you're not stopping, you're just running and running and running. What will happen is that the body will demand rest, automatically it will demand rest, and at the same time there will be some kind of an injury that you might experience in the body, right? Similarly, when the mind doesn't get rest, when the mind is constantly running, it is running and running and running, just thinking and thinking and thinking, what is happening is that you are not giving it the rest that it needs. So how to give mind the rest? Because if you're not giving the rest that it needs, it will definitely start to accumulate a lot of stress, right? It will start to accumulate a lot of negative emotions. What will start to happen is it will also start to be very dull, low energy, and it will ultimately lead to some kind of a disease. So how to rest your body? Number one, which I've been applying for 15 years, is deep meditation, at least 10 minutes a day, just to rest. I'm not talking about a meditation wherein you're visualizing your goals. No. Just rest. That's it. And they can only happen when you do the guided meditations that we offer as well in our memberships, in our 5 a.m. and 21 days workshop as well. So you can definitely be a part of that. Now, what else can you do apart from meditation? Something that I do, it's a beautiful park over here. See, beautiful, isn't it? Now here I come sometimes to just sit in silence. Silence is one of the best way to rest your mind. When you just become silent and become, in tune with the nature. Let's say you're just looking at the lake, or you're just listening to a song and start to sing along with it as well. Automatically there will be some sort of synchronicity, some kind of alignment that you will start to feel, and you will start to feel that you feel more in energy, and the mind has automatically stopped those thoughts. So what I'm trying to say here is, I'm not saying the mind will stop, but that rush, that restlessness will automatically stop, right? So try being in silence, in nature once in a while, and you'll start to see that you'll have great ideas, you'll be more creative, and you start to be more and more in tune and aligned with your own self. And that is the most peaceful and the most powerful rest that you can give to yourself. Thank you.